Today, we are excited to bring you incredible gadgets. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Quirky Writer. The Quirky Writer is a retro-style mechanical keyboard designed to mimic the look and feel of vintage typewriters. Combining nostalgic charm with modern functionality, it features tactile mechanical switches, a metal chassis, and customizable keycaps. Often Bluetooth-enabled, it pairs seamlessly with computers, tablets, and smartphones. Its unique design includes a return bar for enter commands and scroll knobs for volume control, making it a perfect blend of aesthetics and practicality for writers and enthusiasts. Atari 2600 Plus. The Atari 2600 Plus is a modernized version of the iconic Atari 2600, combining classic gaming nostalgia with updated features. It retains the retro design and cartridge compatibility, allowing users to play original Atari 2600 and 7800 games. Enhanced with HDMI output for modern TVs and improved performance, it delivers crisp visuals and audio. Perfect for retro gaming enthusiasts, the Atari 2600 Plus bridges the gap between vintage charm and contemporary gaming convenience. RayQ 128K. The RayQ 128K is a compact, high-capacity USB flash drive designed for seamless data storage and transfer. With its 128 GB storage space, it provides ample room for documents, photos, videos, and more. Its sleek design ensures portability, while its high-speed data transfer capabilities make it efficient for everyday use. Compatible with a wide range of devices, the RayQ 128K is an ideal solution for professionals, students, and anyone needing reliable storage on the go. iArcade. The iArcade is a modern home arcade system that combines classic arcade gaming with advanced technology. Featuring a sleek cabinet design, it offers a vibrant high-definition display, premium sound, and authentic arcade controls. With a large library of licensed games, including retro classics and modern titles, players can enjoy an immersive gaming experience. Its Wi-Fi connectivity enables game downloads and updates, making iArcade a versatile choice for casual and hardcore gamers alike. PL8 Tie. The PL8 Tie is a compact, smart license plate frame designed to enhance vehicle functionality and security. Equipped with features like built-in cameras, GPS tracking, and wireless connectivity, it provides real-time monitoring and navigation assistance. Some versions include customizable LED displays for personalized messages or alerts. Easy to install and compatible with most vehicles, the PL8 Tie is perfect for tech-savvy drivers looking to add convenience, style, and advanced features to their ride. Nixie Glow. The Nixie Glow speaker is a unique blend of retro aesthetics and modern audio technology. Featuring vintage-inspired Nixie tubes that glow warmly, it serves as both a functional Bluetooth speaker and a decorative piece. With high-quality sound output, customizable lighting effects, and seamless wireless connectivity, it's perfect for music lovers who appreciate a nostalgic design. The Nixie Glow speaker is an eye-catching addition to any home or office, combining style and performance effortlessly. Singer Porsche 911. The Singer Porsche 911 is a high-performance, bespoke version of the iconic Porsche 911, designed by Singer Vehicle Design. Each model is painstakingly restored and customized to meet the owner's exact preferences, with a focus on blending classic design with modern technology. The cars are known for their attention to detail, using lightweight materials such as carbon fiber, handcrafted interiors, and highly tuned engines. With exceptional handling, aesthetics, and a timeless appeal, the Singer Porsche 911 is a dream car for enthusiasts seeking both luxury and performance. Tula Mic. The Tula Mic is a portable, professional-grade microphone designed for content creators, podcasters, and musicians. Known for its compact, sleek design, the Tula mic offers high-quality audio capture with features like a built-in rechargeable battery, USB and Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced sound processing. It delivers crystal-clear sound, making it perfect for on-the-go recording or streaming. With its user-friendly interface and versatile functionality, the Tula mic is ideal for those looking to elevate their audio production with convenience and portability. Cosinier Board Track. The Cosinier Board Track is a custom-designed, vintage-inspired motorcycle built to resemble the early 20th century board track racing bikes. Known for its retro aesthetic, it combines classic design elements with modern engineering, typically featuring a minimalist frame, large spoked wheels, and a powerful single-cylinder engine. The Cosinier Board Track is perfect for enthusiasts of both classic motorcycles and modern custom builds. Its design focuses on speed, agility, and style, making it a unique and visually striking motorcycle. Alive Audio Ultimer. The Alive Audio Ultimer is a high-quality, retro-styled audio system that combines vintage aesthetics with modern audio technology. Designed to resemble classic turntables or radios, it delivers premium sound through advanced speakers and amplifiers. The Ultimer often includes features like Bluetooth connectivity, a vinyl record player, or cassette playback, allowing users to enjoy their favorite media in both old-school and contemporary formats. Perfect for audio enthusiasts, it offers a nostalgic experience with cutting-edge performance. Onoblock. Onoblock is an innovative, modular building system featuring OSB-oriented strandboard blocks that interlock like Lego bricks. This design allows for easy assembly and disassembly without the need for specialized tools or labor. Ideal for creating interior partitions, the system supports the integration of doors and windows, offers various finish options, and promotes clean construction without plaster or cement. It's a versatile solution for customizable and eco-friendly interior design. Gutex Fiberblow. Gutex Fiberblow is an innovative system designed for the efficient and secure installation of loosewood fiber insulation in roofs, walls, and ceilings. It features the Gutex Fiberblow plate, the first blow-in board specifically developed for loosewood fibers, ensuring uniform and settlement-free filling of cavities. The system includes Gutex Fiberblow feeders, which prepare the fibers gently and efficiently, doubling the speed of traditional methods. This integrated approach enhances process reliability and insulation performance, making it ideal for prefabrication and serial renovation projects. KLIK Wall System. The KLIK Wall System is an innovative construction solution developed by CLT Factory, utilizing cross-laminated timber (CLT) panels. This modular system comprises 16 prefabricated elements featuring unique screw-less joints, enabling quick and efficient assembly without heavy machinery. Designed for single-story residential buildings, it offers ecological benefits, reduced CO2 emissions, and the aesthetic appeal of exposed solid wood interiors. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the KLIK system simplifies sustainable building practices. Deckrite. Deckrite offers a comprehensive anti-slip solution for timber decking, enhancing safety in both residential and commercial settings. Their products include pre-treated anti-slip decking boards and Deckrite inserts, which can be retrofitted into existing groove decking. The anti-slip feature is achieved through a durable combination of resin and aggregate applied within the grooves of the timber, providing a reassuring grip even in wet conditions. Deckrite solutions are independently tested and approved, ensuring long-lasting performance without deterioration over time. Weekend Walls. Weekend Walls offers peel and stick reclaimed wood paneling, enabling quick and easy transformation of interior spaces. Made from authentic reclaimed wood, these panels provide a rustic aesthetic without the mess of traditional installations. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, the panels can be applied to various surfaces, allowing for creative accent walls or room makeovers. Each box covers 10 square feet, making it simple to calculate the amount needed for your project. Stair treads. Stair treads are the horizontal components of a staircase that provide the surface for stepping. They come in various materials, including wood, carpet, and rubber, each offering different aesthetics and functionalities. Wooden treads, such as oak or pine, are popular for their durability and classic appearance. Carpet stair treads enhance safety by providing a non-slip surface and add comfort underfoot. Rubber treads are ideal for high-traffic areas, offering excellent slip resistance and durability. When selecting stair treads, consider factors like material, style, and safety features to ensure they meet your specific needs. 9wood. 9wood is a US-based company specializing in custom wood ceiling systems for commercial projects. Founded in 2004, it offers a diverse range of products, including linear wood ceilings, grills, acoustic panels, and tiles, catering to various design and acoustic requirements. Their fast track program provides over 100,000 product configurations with guaranteed shipping in 3 to 4 weeks, ensuring timely delivery for projects with tight schedules. Committed to sustainability, 9wood promotes environmentally friendly practices, such as recycling and replanting initiatives, and offers FSC-certified and PFC-certified options. Logi Prefab. Logi Prefab is a Lithuanian and Norwegian joint venture specializing in the manufacture and construction of panel frame and modular houses, as well as wooden frame panels. Leveraging extensive experience in the Scandinavian market, the company delivers high-quality, durable structures. Their panel frame houses are prefabricated in a factory setting, allowing for rapid on-site assembly within 1 to 2 days. This efficient process ensures precise implementation of house projects. Logi Prefab emphasizes sustainable and energy-efficient building practices, offering customizable designs to meet individual client needs. 1-inch wall. 1-inch wall is a Slovenian company specializing in multifunctional panels made from real wood. Their panels are designed for easy installation and can be used for various applications, including wall coverings, furniture, and decorative elements. The panels are crafted to provide both aesthetic appeal and functional benefits, such as insulation and soundproofing. They offer a range of finishes and styles to suit different interior design preferences. Gablock. Gablock is an innovative company based in Belgium, specializing in insulated wooden blocks for modular self-building. Founded to simplify the construction process, Gablock offers a unique system that allows individuals to build their own homes with ease. Their blocks are designed to interlock like large building blocks, requiring no special tools or skills for assembly. Known for sustainability, Gablock uses eco-friendly materials and provides an energy-efficient solution with excellent thermal performance. Offering a cost-effective approach, Gablock systems ensure quick, hassle-free home building, ideal for DIY enthusiasts and environmentally conscious builders. Light water purifier. The light water purifier is a sleek and efficient solution for clean, safe drinking water. Using advanced filtration technology, it removes impurities, bacteria, and harmful contaminants while retaining essential minerals. Its compact design, energy efficiency, and user-friendly operation make it perfect for homes or offices. With a focus on sustainability, the purifier ensures pure, refreshing water with minimal waste, combining innovation and convenience for healthier hydration. Loverk. The Loverk camping lantern is your ultimate outdoor lighting companion. With powerful, adjustable LED brightness, it provides up to 360 degrees illumination for camping, hiking, or emergency use. Its compact, lightweight design ensures easy portability, while the durable, weather-resistant build stands up to tough outdoor conditions. Featuring a rechargeable battery and multiple lighting modes, the Loverk camping lantern combines convenience, reliability, and long-lasting performance for all your adventures. Genesis Camping Stove. The Genesis Camping Stove is a reliable and efficient cooking solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and set up, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or backpacking. Featuring a high-performance burner, it ensures quick and even cooking, while its durable design withstands rugged conditions. Compatible with most fuel canisters, the Genesis Camping Stove guarantees hassle-free operation, helping you enjoy hot meals wherever your adventures take you. Furrion Aerove. The Furrion Aerove is a cutting-edge portable cooler designed for ultimate convenience and efficiency. Powered by a rechargeable battery, It keeps food and beverages cool for days without ice. Its robust design includes advanced insulation, weather resistance, and a silent cooling system, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, or off-grid living. With added features like USB ports for charging devices and a solar panel option, the eRove combines innovation with practicality. Zempire Monstabed. The Zempire Monstabed is the ultimate portable sleeping solution for outdoor comfort. Designed with a sturdy steel frame and a plush, padded surface, it offers exceptional support and relaxation. Its elevated design keeps you off the ground, while the durable materials ensure long-lasting performance even in rugged environments. Easy to assemble and compact for transport, the Monstabed is perfect for camping trips or extra sleeping space at home. Sleep soundly anywhere. Mr. Heater Little Buddy. The Mr. Heater Little Buddy is a compact and portable propane heater perfect for small spaces and outdoor adventures. With a 3,800 BTU heating capacity, it efficiently warms areas up to 95 square feet, making it ideal for camping, hunting, or emergency use. Designed with safety in mind, it features an oxygen depletion sensor, ODS, and tip-over shutoff for worry-free operation. Lightweight and easy to use, it's your reliable cold weather companion. Kelty High Road Shelter. The Kelty High Road Shelter is a versatile and durable car camping canopy designed for hassle-free setup and maximum protection. Featuring a sturdy steel and fiberglass frame, it offers excellent stability, while its water-resistant and UV-protected fabric ensures reliable shelter from sun, rain, or wind. With adjustable sidewalls for customizable coverage and a roomy design, the High Road Shelter is perfect for outdoor gatherings, tailgating, or extended camping trips. Stay comfortable wherever you roam. Bug Beater Chair 2.0. The Bug Beater Chair 2.0 is a revolutionary outdoor chair designed to keep you comfortable and bug-free. Equipped with an integrated bug net and durable, weather-resistant materials, it provides a relaxing seating experience while protecting you from mosquitoes and other insects. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to carry and set up, making it ideal for camping, picnics, or backyard lounging. Stay relaxed and bite-free with this innovative outdoor seating solution. Red Camp Water Container. The Red Camp Water Container is a durable and portable solution for storing and transporting water during outdoor activities. Made from heavy-duty, BPA-free materials, it features a sturdy, leak-proof design that ensures safe and reliable use. The container is collapsible for easy storage when not in use, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. With a convenient spout for easy dispensing, the Red Camp Water Container provides hassle-free hydration on the go. RUX. RUX is a versatile and durable storage system designed for outdoor adventures and everyday use. Made from rugged, weather-resistant materials, it offers a modular and stackable design, allowing you to customize and organize your gear efficiently. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply storing household items, RUX provides a secure and portable solution with its easy-to-carry handles and waterproof features. Its innovative design combines practicality with durability for all your outdoor and storage needs. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.